Hi, I'll see you again. I hope that you're enjoying watching what I'm sharing. I'm doing my best to be able to impart something that I wanted to share to the viewers of YouTube. For today, ang isa-share ko ay the three most powerful F's that I learned in this life. Number one is faith. Number two is forgiveness. Number three is freedom. Okay, let's go first with the first F, faith. I have known God for so long, but the way I placed Him in my life is that whenever I'm desperate, whenever I need Him, and whenever I need an answered prayer. But I have never learned the art of complete surrender. So lately in my life, and I'm so grateful na experience ko to, I have sincerely learned the art of surrendering everything to Him. Meaning, when I say surrender, noon ko lang natutunan na pag may panic, He's gonna be my panic button. Ibig ko sabihin, pag nag-pray na ako, I just let the things, the events, and whatever it is that's really bothering me, I lift it up to Him. And miraculously, because I never thought it will work, it does work. You know, of course, syempre may mga ripples din, may mga nervous din, but then I've never experienced that kind of faith. And for me, that yun pala yung ibig sabihin ng uh, trusting God. So, yun, I'm just so grateful na experience ko yung complete surrender. And I hope yung mga nanonood would also experience it. And it's not, people might think it's corny, but it's not. It's actually cool to be able to learn how to give complete surrender. Number two is um, forgiveness. Forgiveness is so important kasi nung natuto akong magdasal, I have learned to ask forgiveness sincerely and try my best not to commit the same mistakes over and over again. Kasi yun yung difficult for the people that are involved yung nasasaktan mo and all. Kung hindi ka matututo sa mga pagkakamali mo, dapat pag humingi ka ng tawad, you have to mean it and you have to remind yourself all the time na hindi lang ikaw ang maapektuhan sa mga ginagawa mo kundi the rest of the people that you love. Second is that you have to learn to forgive other people. Those who have wronged you. Kasi minsan yung ginagamit nating justification, kaya tayo may mga maling ginagawa, kaya tayo galit sa buhay, kaya ganito yung naging turnout ng buhay natin. Laging yung ibang tao, but then I was able to look closely and then, we are all humans and we are all susceptible to mistakes and wrong decisions. And ganun din sila. So, I have learned to forgive. So, and I have learned to forgive myself. That's the most important thing. With everything that I did, with everything the wrong decisions that have affected the lives of the many people around me, I have learned the serenity of forgiving myself. Kasi it's so important para maka-move on ako, para mapanghawakan ko yung forgiveness na binigay sa akin, yung forgiveness na binigay ko, at yung forgiveness na ibibigay ko sa sarili ko. And number three, which is so important, is freedom. With faith, with forgiveness comes freedom. Because makakahinga ka, makakagalaw ka, mararamdaman mo, you could feel it in your bones that you're able to move and do the things that you wanted to do. Kasi aware ka na ngayon pag makakasakit ka. Alam mo na meron kang Diyos na dadasalan. So all these things will guide you to feel the freedom that all of us sometimes kasi we're imprisoned or chained with the many things that we have done, the secrets that akala mo kahit walang nakakakita, but deep inside you know that there's someone out there who can see everything. So, and everything na nangyayari sa mundo, hindi lang sa buhay ko. So, knowing that nandun siya at knowing na I have learned the art of forgiveness, nagiging malaya po yung sarili ko na maggalaw at magawa ko yung mga bagay na hindi ko nagagawa or na take for granted ko because sinabi ko nga the last time, we never know when it will happen. So now I am more equipped, I'm more prepared. So I hope that I'm able to impart something that you can do or reflect on. So there you go. Okay, so this is it. Again, thank you and please like, subscribe, and share. Kung meron pong kayong natutunan dito sa aking vlog, it would mean a lot if you share to other people. Thank you. Bye.